Can you see she's running? New ignition switch. You see I still haven't mounted it. And you see the RPM meter. It's running. I'm gonna see if it'll run for 30 minutes. No lights on. So whether I've solved the problem of it quitting on me, the intermittent just quitting, I think I have. There's no check engine light for that, but what I can tell you is this. As you can see, I just put the ignition switch in. I refuse to put all that dashboard back together until I know this car is pretty much, but if you look at the RPM meter. I'm leaning in the car, so it's idling perfect, like at 800. You don't see any yellow lights. Let me go to the other side. And if you're looking at why the Monte Carlo looks stripped, there's an explanation for that. And the explanation is the Monte Carlo was stripped. Now, look at that. Clean dashboard. No dashboard, but a clean one. And the car is running just fine. Let me see if I can give it some juice. If I can find the accelerator. Did you see that?